Hi, I'm Chaz Fouch, Dean of Education for Opus 1. To help you prepare for the upcoming Opus 1 Practical Assessment exam, we've created this video with some information that will get you ready at your best. We're excited to be able to offer this opportunity to our students and hope it serves as a terrific way to work toward an accomplishment while also evaluating whether a student is prepared to progress to the next level for ABRSM's exam. There are a few requirements that are needed for the exam. This includes a laptop, tablet, smartphone, or desktop with a Zoom app or browser access, which you'll use to join the exam. For students who need an accompaniment, you'll need a device prepared to play the music loudly enough for the examiner to hear through the meeting. Your teacher will work with you to arrange the proper accompaniment. Please make sure to have the sheet music for exam pieces, specimen sight reading tests, and oral tests ready and within reach. Find time to practice the setup for your exam. Make sure that the camera is positioned correctly and the microphone is working. Students playing piano should have the camera positioned so their profile from head to toe can be seen along with the keyboard. This ensures the examiner can see the full technique and pedaling used. On the day of your exam, log into your Opus 1 account. Find the exam event listed under Upcoming Events and click the Join Now button. This is the same process as when joining your regular Opus 1 lessons. You will need to join with the candidate's name entered as the participant. If anyone else has recently used Zoom, please remember to change the name before joining your exam. We've structured our Opus 1 exam to follow the same layout as ABRSM's. At the start of the session, the examiner will ask you to play different ways to get an understanding of the acoustics in your environment and how they transmit electronically. This will apply especially to hear how louds and softs transmit electronically from the space that you're playing in. The order of exam areas you'll proceed in will depend on whether you are an instrumental or voice student. Instrumental students will be asked to begin by playing selections from the required scales and arpeggios, followed by playing each of the 3 exam pieces you've selected. Voice students will begin with their accompanied songs followed by unaccompanied songs. All students will need the ABRSM specimen sight reading book on hand. This is very important. To make the online exam as easy as possible, the examiner will be choosing at random an exercise test from the specimen book, so you'll need to have this available. Finally, the examiner will proceed with the oral test portion. As with the sight reading, you'll also need to have the specimen oral training book available. The examiner will ask you to sing a selected exercise from this book. Since real-time interaction is not feasible through the online exam, any clapping and singing along portions have either been removed or will not be factored into your grade. Opus 1 will provide a critique and a certificate once the exams are completed and processed. We have a few important suggestions that will help ensure the best experience and outcome for the exam. Make sure there is good lighting in the room and the examiner can see you well. Lights facing the student work best, while lights shining from behind tend to create poor visibility. A good internet connection will help ensure the audio and visual quality are transmitted properly. If able, other household members should refrain from internet use during the exam. Sounds and motion nearby can be very distracting. We ask to please keep other people and pets away in order to minimize potential distractions. On behalf of everyone at Opus 1 Music Studio, I'd like to thank you for your continued dedication and all the work students have put into preparing for the exam. We're grateful to extend this opportunity in light of the ABRSM exam cancellation. To all of our Opus 1 student participants, congratulations on your hard work and good luck at your exam.